This is Nico's 2009 model Subaru Impreza WRX STI Spec R, which is swapped for his built Lexus IS300. Full build series on the Lexus is on our channel and the link's in the description as well if you're interested in watching that build. Today we're going to attempt to do something that we've never done before. We're going to be removing the STI 6-speed and installing a twin plate clutch. First things first, the boys removed the top mount intercooler, everything to go around the starter motor and the starter motor itself. Then moving on to unbolt and remove the dump pipe from the turbo and the rest of the exhaust system. Wheels also need to come off to remove the drive shafts, but before that all needs to be drained from the diff and the tail shaft also needs to be removed. Now this one's for everyone with their Subarus and their push-pull clutch system. This Allen bolt must be removed so you can access the shaft holding in the throwout bearing on the fork. There are threads on the shaft to pull it out. We used a 10mm bolt laying around, screwed it in a few threads and removed it with these. Failure to take this bolt out will make your life a living misery. Alright guys, gearbox is ready to come out of the STI. The boys have gone hard to work. They pulled everything out that has to be pulled out. You have the shafts here, tail shaft, dump pipe off the turbo, starter motor, and everything else needed to come out. Here is the old clutch, flywheel and pressure plate. As you can see, it's a bit burnt around here, which looks like the clutch must have overheated. There's also a few heat spots here on the pressure plate, and the flywheel also looks like there's a few heat spots. And now here is the brand new clutch assembly we're going with. It's an extreme performance clutch and it's a twin plate clutch. So in the box it all comes mounted together. As you can see there's two clutches in there. We're going to have to take it apart so we can bolt up the flywheel to the engine, and it also comes with flywheel bolts here and a throwout bearing too. That's all included with the clutch kit. So now we're going to take this apart, bolt the flywheel up to the engine once Corliss is putting the remain oil seal on, and then we can start assembling the rest of the clutch. Here's us inspecting the brand new clutch kit, and here is our Leiden flywheel that come in the kit with the billet dummy shaft supplied as well. Now here is us installing the throwout bearing onto the fork and installing the shaft onto the fork itself too, that holds everything into place. Now we did put a brand new remain oil seal, and we took the studs off the bottom of the engine there to make it a little bit easier putting the gearbox back on. Now we install the Leiden flywheel, once again with all the supplied hardware in the kit. The clutch also comes with instructions. This one's how to take the bearing off the pressure plate, and instruction procedure before fitment procedure, and here it shows you exactly how to put this twin plate clutch together and the whole system, how it works, and 4-step procedure. So now that's all on there. We've got the gearbox under here and we're ready. Coffee break now. Boys, get ready for the fun part. Putting the 6-speed back up. 4 of us bench pressing it. 25 kilos each? 25 kilos each. Something like that. Cheers. Cheers, mate. Having mud. She's in, boys! The 6-speed is done on the floor.
I feel like I just run a marathon.
I feel like it's sillies.
Alright guys, STI is down on the floor, the clutch is done. It's been such a long day. It's got a bit of a twin plate rattle, which we knew.
Only at the bottom. Only at the bottom. Sure?
That's real race car noises.
Your clutch is light, and then once it hits like you can feel it very touchy.
Yeah.
If you feel it like it's like you can feel it like moving. Man.
Very nice. I like the torque shifter. It's very nice and tight. Look how short it is.
Is it going into this property?
Yeah. Very nice. Let's take it for a drive.
Yeah, let me jump in with you.
I have Perry here. He hasn't seen the RX-7 yet. Perry, what's your first reactions of the RX-7?
What happened?
I pulled the whole thing apart. A faulty ignition barrel. So I'm getting that fixed.
That's right.
Yeah. It'll be back on the road in no time. And you just went for a drive with Nico in his STI. What did you think about it? Initial...
I haven't driven the car yet, and I can already tell it's a totally different car.
Yeah.
Grips, the way the clutch grips, you can feel it in the wheels almost. Like, I don't know how to explain it. But
Yeah, right.
Andrew's gonna go for a drive now, and we'll see what Andrew thinks.
A lot of getting used to though.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, 100%.
Definitely.
Alright, let's go see him come back and then I'll jump in the car as well. Very excited for it actually. This car needed the clutch. It had the power, it didn't have the right clutch for it. It was just a standard clutch in there. It was overheated. He was giving it a bit of abuse. He's not gonna lie about it.
Yeah, no.
And now this clutch, once he beds it in, he can finally abuse it the way he really drives that car. What's wrong, Pat? What's wrong? What's wrong? Camera shy? You camera shy?
Alright, first drive for Andrew.
You gotta give me a bit of pointers.
Gonna lift it
Oh,
up.
true.
Yeah.
It's like the BRZ.
Yeah. Catches right at the bottom, huh? Oh, hey.
Yeah, right at the bottom, literally.
Yeah.
It's such a bitey feeling.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
Look, you gotta get used to it.
You have to get used to it, but
It makes the car feel so much tighter.
yeah.
Before it, look at that.
You gotta let go of the clutch slowly. Yeah. You feel it bite?
Yeah. I love that feeling.
What a mad feeling,
Yeah, like you said, it's a bit of getting used to it.
Yeah.
But once you get used to it, there you go. Alright, Perry's taking it for a drive too. Nico, your car's getting shed around a lot. What's happening?
Yeah, she's a good friend.
You can see she's a bit of a red flag.
How'd it go, Perry?
It's good. Obviously going to take a bit of getting used to,
Yeah, it will, man.
but honestly it drives very, very different. And we're still rating it in, so we can't give it, but you can tell it wants to go more. Very good.
Beautiful.
Thanks, mate. Thank you, boys. Love you, boys.
Alright, we're gonna leave it at that. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed seeing these boys in the video and you enjoyed watching us do the clutch on the STI all day, leave a comment down below. Thanks guys, catch you in the next one. Peace.
Hey boys, we're taking the gearbox off. We're taking the gearbox.